Here's a video tutorial on how to replace or remove, change, key fob battery on Fiat 500, Panda, Bravo, Abarth, Doblo, Punto in 6 easy steps. 1. Open the key. Two. Unlock the key battery location by turning that pin clockwise, or towards the drawing with the unlocked lock. Three. Take the battery out from the key fob. Four. Replace the old key battery with a new one. Fiat uses a CR2032 3V battery for this key, which you can find it below in the video description. Five. Reinstall the battery in the key fob. Six. Lock the battery holder back by turning it counterclockwise, or towards the locked lock. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.